Now we want to off the tools for a little bit and show you how to set up a shortcut key. Because it's really important to set up shortcuts, it's just going to make your work so much faster if you are able to set up a shortcut key. One of the first shortcut keys that I like to set up is this one over here for the Trim Extend Multiple Elements tool. Not a very easy name to remember, and so the trick to it is to find out what something is called by putting a mouse over the icon, and you can see it's called Trim Extend Multiple Elements. So now we know what the tool is called, which is great because when we're setting up a shortcut, we need to search for the name. I'm going to go to the View tab, right side. Underneath User Interface, I'm going to find Keyboard Shortcuts. Now I'm going to type in the name of the command, which is Trim Extend Multiple Element. I've just typed in trim, and you can see it's popped up automatically in here. And now I can type in TM and click on Assign. And that has now assigned that shortcut. I'm going to click on OK. And I'm going to go back to the Modified tool, and I'm going to put my mouse over there, and you can see it is now in the bracket saying TM, so I've got a shortcut. One more thing about adding a shortcut is I'm going to go back to here, and you can see the import and export shortcuts. If you're working in an office and somebody puts you onto a different computer, you can just export the file, save it as a name, and then import it again, and it will save all the shortcuts that you've set up on your machine, which is very, very handy. If you want to remove a shortcut, the way that you want to do that is you want to just click on the actual shortcut itself, and then you'll be able to remove the shortcut. So just be aware of that. In the next tutorial, I want to show you how to use this Trim Extend Multiple Element tool, which is very handy.